Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to change the settings of a laptop, display settings and all. Okay, so here I want to change the resolution of the settings. Okay, so here we'll have the three settings. One is the change the size of test apps and other items. Second is the display resolution. Third is the display orientation. So every laptop and Windows are not having these settings constant. So for example, you are doing any automation project. So these settings should be same in all laptops. Then only your script will work. For example, PWA, Auto GUI or all those packages. If you use the position of the GUI, if you are clicking a position on the GUI, then these settings should be same. Otherwise, your script will fail. Okay, guys. So I have written a script to change these positions, change these settings to the required values using the Python. Okay. So let us see the Python program. So here I am importing all required packages and all. Okay. Then I have written a function. So it will take the inputs of required size, resolution, and orientation. Okay. So orientation is the third one. This landscape or portrait. Okay. So once you write the function, okay. So first here what I am doing is first I will press the Windows key like this. Then I will type the settings. Then click on the settings. Okay. Once I get to this page, then these are the combo boxes of my elements. Okay. I'm taken the settings window here. If you see here, I have taken the backend backend desktop backend settings window. Okay, this window. Then what I am doing is like I am changing the resolution. For resolution, I am using the combo box 2. Okay, okay. First, I am changing the resolution because once you click on any resolution, so based on this resolution, sometimes automatically size will be selected. So first we have to go to the resolution, then go to the size, then go to the orientation. Okay, guys. First, if you change the size and then come to resolution, sometimes this size is depending on the resolution. Recommended size will be automatically selected. So first we'll go to the resolution, then we go to the size and we'll change it, then we'll go to the orientation. Okay, so here these are the functions I have written. So for example, changing the resolution, this is a combo box 2. So this is a combo box 2 resolution 1. Okay, then I am clicking the down arrow button. Okay, then I am selecting the test, selecting the each item. Okay, guys, then what I am doing is if that item is having the test of this required resolution, then stop it. Okay, otherwise go on the next item, then select the next drop down item, then select the test. If the test is matching with your resolution, then break it. Okay, if it is not matching, then go to the next iteration and select the next item and see the test is matching with your required excuse me, required resolution or not. Okay, guys. So same thing with resolution, then same with the size and orientation also same loop. Okay. So here what we'll do is here first we'll select the item, each item. If this is matching with your required resolution given in the function, here we'll call the function, right? So if that test contains this resolution item, then break it. Okay. The test contains this size item, then break it. Okay, guys. Same thing with orientation. Okay. So let us run this code and we'll see. So I have given here 125, 1920. Okay. For example, here 1920, 125 are there. So I want to give different settings. For example, let us say 1400 here. Okay. Then here I will take 100. Okay. 1400 and 100. So let's make this as 100 and let us make this as 1400. Okay, then we'll run the script. Okay, guys. So script is like this. If you want to see, first I have written a function like this, then I'm changing the resolution like this, then I will go to the test size, then I'll change the size like this, then I'll go to the orientation and I will change the orientation like this. Okay, let us run the script and see. So it will click on settings, then it will go to combo boxes, then it will go to the resolution. Okay, then it will go to each item and it will select the required resolution there. Okay, let's see. So it is changing, guys, resolution, each and everything. It will, each step, each item, it will change. If it is matching, it will break, otherwise it will go to the next one. Okay, let us see. 1600 it has gone, then it will go to 1440. Okay, right. Okay, then it will go to 1400. Yeah, it has gone to 1400, then it will go to 100. And now script will stop because all required items are met with the calling function. Here 100, 1400 and landscape, so those three are met. So script is finished. Execution is finished. Okay, so our script is passed and the settings have been set. So if you are doing any automation, yeah, so the setting should be same with all laptops. So this code will help you to change the settings with PY Auto GUI. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Tune to be ready to more videos like this on Python automation. If you are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel Abhianvi Tutorials for more such amazing automation Python videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.